Windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. While choosing the right windows is important, proper installation is equally vital to ensure they perform at their best. For Dallas homeowners, where the weather can swing from scorching summers to occasional storms and cooler winters, professional window installation offers numerous benefits that DIY efforts often cannot match. Here's why investing in professional window installation is a smart decision for your Dallas home. Ensures a perfect fit. One of the biggest challenges of installing windows is achieving a precise fit. Improperly fitted windows can lead to drafts, air leaks, and water damage, reducing your home's efficiency and comfort. Custom measurements. Professional installers take exact measurements of your window openings, ensuring the new windows fit snugly. No gaps or misalignment. A perfect fit eliminates gaps that can compromise insulation and allow outside elements to enter. Proper seal. Professionals ensure the window is sealed tightly to prevent air and water infiltration. With a perfect fit, your windows will function optimally, providing energy efficiency and protection from the elements. Maximizes energy efficiency. Dallas's hot summers and mild winters demand windows that help regulate indoor temperatures. Professional installation ensures your energy-efficient windows deliver on their promise. Correct insulation. Installers use the right materials, like foam or caulking, to insulate gaps around the frame. Proper alignment. Misaligned windows can let air escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Professionals ensure proper alignment for optimal performance. Energy savings. A professional installation reduces drafts and energy loss, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter while lowering utility bills. Energy-efficient windows installed correctly are a key factor in reducing energy consumption and costs. Increases home security. Windows are a critical point of entry for potential intruders, and improper installation can leave your home vulnerable. Professional installers enhance your home's security by ensuring your windows are properly secured. Reinforced frames. Professionals install windows with reinforced frames that resist tampering or forced entry. Secure locks. Proper installation ensures locks align perfectly, enhancing their effectiveness. Impact resistance. For homes requiring impact-resistant windows, professionals ensure the glass and frames are correctly fitted to withstand high winds and debris. With professional installation, you'll have peace of mind knowing your windows are not only functional but also secure. Prevents water damage. Improper window installation can lead to leaks during Dallas's rainy seasons, causing costly damage to walls, floors, and furnishings. Professionals take steps to prevent water intrusion. Waterproof barriers. Installers use flashing and sealants to create a watertight barrier around the window frame. Drainage systems. Modern windows often come with built-in drainage channels, which professionals install correctly to guide water away. Preventing mold. Proper sealing prevents moisture buildup that can lead to mold and mildew. Professionally installed windows protect your home from water damage and the associated repair costs. Extends window lifespan. And high-quality windows are a significant investment, and proper installation ensures they last for years to come. Avoiding premature wear. Incorrect installation can cause stress on frames and hardware, leading to premature failure. Maintaining manufacturer warranties. Many window warranties require professional installation to remain valid. Durability. Professional installation ensures windows are installed to withstand Dallas's climate conditions. By choosing professional installation, you maximize the longevity and value of your investment. Saves time and effort. Window installation can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, especially for homeowners unfamiliar with the process. Professional installers handle every aspect of the job efficiently. Expert tools and techniques. Professionals have the right tools and expertise to complete the installation quickly and correctly. No hassle. Avoid the frustration and potential mistakes of a DIY project by leaving it to the experts. Quick turnaround. Experienced installers work efficiently, minimizing disruptions to your daily routine. Hiring professionals saves you time and ensures the job is done right the first time. Boosts curb appeal and home value. Properly installed windows enhance your home's curb appeal and increase its value, especially in competitive Dallas neighborhoods. Seamless appearance. Professional installation ensures windows are flush with the frame, creating a polished and cohesive look. Improved aesthetics. Properly installed windows function as design elements, enhancing your home's overall style. Higher resale value. Homes with professionally installed, energy-efficient windows often sell for a premium. Professional installation ensures your windows look great and function perfectly, boosting both your home's aesthetic and financial value. Guarantees peace of mind. Perhaps the most significant benefit of professional window installation is the peace of mind it provides. You can rest assured knowing your windows are installed correctly and built to last. Trained experts. Professionals are trained to handle various window types and ensure compliance with local building codes. Warranty protection. Many installers offer warranties on their work, giving you added confidence in the quality of the installation. Long-term savings. Proper installation minimizes the need for future repairs or adjustments, saving you money in the long run. With expert installation, you can trust that your windows will perform as expected, regardless of Dallas's weather conditions. Conclusion. A smart investment for Dallas homeowners. Professional window installation is an investment in your home's efficiency, safety, and value. From ensuring a perfect fit and maximizing energy savings to preventing water damage and boosting curb appeal, professional installers deliver superior results that DIY efforts often can't match. Ready to upgrade your windows? Work with a trusted Dallas window installation expert to ensure your new windows provide the performance, protection, and style your home deserves. With professional installation, you'll enjoy the full benefits of your window replacement for years to come.